This is the homework for Paul McWhorter's Arduino Uno R4 Wi-Fi lesson number 3. And he asked us to blink all four LEDs on and off instead of just one. So what I've done, if you look down here to the hookup, I've got the wires hooked from over here only to the digital inputs just for convenience. Now here I've got a resistor package. It's 4.7K resistors. 1, 2, it looks like there's 8 of them. Go from this side of the chip to that side of the chip. Now that made it easy to connect from here over to my LED. This LED is on the other side here. I got ground. The long lead's going towards the chip, which is going towards the Arduino Uno. Now what I did was I have all these chips wired up, but I only use every other one because the LEDs are too close together they'd be all bunched up if I did that. So I went every other line, which turned out to be pin 4, 6, 8, and 10 when you go back and trace it back over to here. Now you can see that I've got a bunch of other stuff hooked up here, but that's got nothing to do with this. It's just a level changer here, my Pico W over here, a couple of displays down below it. And anyhow, what I did with this thing was to on the software side, I defined the LED pins as an array. I got 4, 6, 8, and 10. Up here you can see it. And then this line 2 num leads equals 4. It tells me how many. I have 4 LEDs there. And then in line 3 I set the integer for the T, which is 1000. And then line number 4 I define I equals 0. That's just so it'll recognize when it gets down into here. Now if I go down to the setup, I set up each one of the pin modes by walking through a for loop from 0 to numLEDs, which is 4, and then I add 1 to it, and it sets up each one of the output pins 4, 6, 8, and 10. Sets them up. And then if we go down to the loop, you'll see digital. I manually did digital writes for 4, 6, 8, and 10. I set for high. Then I put a T. I said digital or delay T. That's 1000. And then I go through them, tell them to go low, and then I do delay T of 1000 again, and the whole loop starts over again. As you can see, it's running now. The LEDs are really bright, even for 4.7K. That seems to be quite bright. So it looks like my little resistor package works quite well for this. And that's my homework, Paul, and I appreciate you doing these videos. So thanks a lot for it. Bye.